It's nice and shady. It's another hot day, but kind of hoping that maybe the water over here is a little bit cooler. I know there's big bass here because I've seen them up in the office there. There's, I don't know, 6 or 8 big trophy bass that they got mounted on the wall. She tells me one guy caught 3 of them. He knows where the spot is. I know it's not going to be fishing on land here like this, but you never know. One might wander back here. I try to frog down deep. It kept getting hooked on the weeds, so I've got this mid-water. It's a rattle trap. Haven't used one of these in years. So it's got a little couple of bearings in it and a little chamber that shake when you give it a jig and makes a rattle noise. Supposedly attracts the fish. So far it hasn't been doing anything. This is probably not the right spot. There's another spot over I don't know, about a quarter of a mile from here I've been trying. It's another end cap like this. All the rest of the stuff out there, like by the beach and the fishing pier and everything, that's well trotted. A lot of noise during the day, people playing music and out there on the beach. And that one probably, if it's any good, might be good in the morning, maybe around sunrise. I'm not too good at getting up early and going fishing. I'm not too good at getting up early and doing much at all. Ever since I'm on the retired life, it's I don't have a time I have to get up or go to bed. That's what I really enjoy about this. I still work a little bit doing remotes and stuff, but I'm sure not working hard, that's for sure. So right now the park is wow, it's pretty empty. There were so many people out here over the weekend. Come Friday, it's just like a steady parade of fifth wheelers. Not too many Class A. Matter of fact, I don't think I saw but one, but a lot of trolling trailers and moreover, more fifth wheel. Seems to be the popular design these days because you can get those in really, really long length, quite elaborate. Some of them even 2 floors. A lot of them have balconies now. Kind of crazy that those things can go upwards towards $100,000. But that's the passing fad anyway, I guess. Looks like we had a little bit of a cave in here at one time. Sometimes it worries you to stand like something like that, right? Like maybe it might fall in while you're standing there. Oops, I forgot to cock my gun. Try that one again. Yeah, that was a little better. Felt a little tug just then, but I don't think it was anything other than maybe me popping the bottom. I think when you jig on this, it actually goes down. The faster you reel it. the deeper it goes. Another great straight cast. Well, here we are again. Nothing. All right. Hmm. Yeah, this.